Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to see how to add a signature in your Gmail when you send your emails, and this is going to happen on your phone. So first you're going to click the hamburgers and you're going to go down to settings. So you tap settings and you're going to click on the accounts that you want to use. So I'm going to go with how to tutorials, and you scroll through until you are going to see mobile signature. So when you see that, you tap on that. So it's here. So it brings this pop-up and you're going to type in whatever you want to type in for your message. So you can type in your name and maybe your company's name or any relevant information. So for me, I am going to just put in my channel name, my Gmail name, and I am going to add in a few information, and that is going to be our signature, but you can add it according to your preferences. So when you're done, all you have to do is tap OK and you'll be done. So we're going to see how it happens when we are done with this. We're going to see whether it shows up when we're sending an email or maybe replying to any emails. So going back, we are going to go back to compose, and as you can see, it's already here. So it always comes at the bottom. So whenever you're sending messages or replying to other emails, it will always be there. It will be your digital signature. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, please drop a like to the video and subscribe for more amazing videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.